Zero is a processing of creating tasks, subtasks in each module. The real time you're saying the zero subtask creation. How is the flow is going the zero subtask creations? So initially step how to create the subtask creation in these slides. So how is going this is zero subtask in the developer end. So developer how is what is going on. Let's create the issue, for example is app, and then the self project as from the list. Then create the issue and create issue type task. Then precise summary this issue of summary voice and detailed description and create the subtask. Then create the sample issue by created by the developer. We have to create the subtask here. So on slide, so the create subtask under the issue of developer as 182 ticket item, for example, has generated by the tool, and create the subtask issue by the 182 is given and provide the information of the summary and create the description, and then the subtask will be generated tool under a issue id as a parent id. You have to so like that with the test store is what is started to select the test case and accept criteria, then write the test cases, mapping execute the test cases like that. So we have to create the test cases in the like a test acceptance criteria. So have to add the test acceptance criteria under the test case. Select the reuse the test case option to existing the test case for adding to particular ticket of the acceptance criteria. Why you generally after adding any requirement provide the test cases for that panel.